على فكرة أنا هسافر بكرة. By the way, I am traveling tomorrow. Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. And before I start, don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course and download my free ebook. You'll find the link in the description box and also in the first comment. So let's start. When I say على فكرة بقى, okay, or على فكرة, I say this which means by the way, and على فكرة we say it all the time. It's very common in spoken Egyptian, and it's the direct meaning of it is by the way. So when I say, for example, على فكرة أنا هسافر بكرة, okay, by the way, I am traveling tomorrow, okay, على فكرة, and على فكرة as an expression it means by the way, but it has two words, على, which is on, and the fikra, which is idea. So literally I am saying on idea, okay, on idea, but the meaning of this expression is by the way, okay. So على فكرة is by the way. Filling words that we put between the words all the time, and they don't have any actual meaning on their own. So they're just put them in order to emphasize or in order to strengthen our meaning. So when I say على فكرة بقى, it's exactly like على فكرة, but I add بقى in order to give it a flavor of importance. على فكرة بقى, على فكرة بقى. But we can say also على فكرة without بقى, and it's completely fine. Similar to على فكرة, we also say بالمناسبة. What is the difference? بالمناسبة, it means occasionally or on this occasion. If I am talking about a certain substance or certain, let's say, subject, and I got an idea that is very related to this subject, so I say, okay, بالمناسبة, on this occasion, because these subjects are very similar, so I remember the other one. بالمناسبة, on this occasion, okay, I am doing so and so and so. So على فكرة here it means by the way, but بالمناسبة it means regarding this occasion, okay, or regarding this matter, or something similar to this, I am saying so and so. So there's a shade of meaning here. They are not exactly the same in meaning, but they have some slight difference. Okay, so على فكرة versus بالمناسبة. We knew exactly the meaning of two related phrases. The first phrase is على فكرة, which means by the way, and the second phrase is بالمناسبة, which means in this regard or regarding this or in this occasion and so on. They are not very similar, and they have shades of meaning as I told you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid, and don't forget also to check the other episodes. You will find many different variations of episodes tackling all the aspects of spoken Egyptian and also modern standard Arabic in this important channel. If you have any question, just drop me a comment below, and don't forget to enroll in my free course and download my free ebook. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot, and see you in a future episode.